Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 18th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. We have here the binary, the tectonic with 1 star, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, suguru. The 4 stars Sudoku, the 3 star Sudoku, the 2 star Sudoku, and the letter Sudoku. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me. It's also time consuming, and I need also the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Especially on Wednesday, because on Wednesday we have three regular puzzles. Yes. And what's the news of today? Well, today it's war day number 329. 329 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yeah, war is still going on. But let me start with the first puzzle, the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 5809. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 23 printed digits. 23. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 5, the 5th one here, the 5th O here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have here 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be O. This should be a 1. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Between those comes in 1. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 1. So the rest are O's. Alright. Then. Well, I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here also, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Let me think. I think 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare. 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need. Yeah. Alright. Well, we have 1 completed row, and we have 1, 2, 3 completed columns. This row, do we have a double one here? No. Okay, then the columns, do we have a double one here? Can I compare those? Well, how about the double O? No. Will be difficult. How about this one? Do we have a 101 here? This is almost the same here. Well. This is almost the same. I can compare this one and that one. This row and that row. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5, the fifth one here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so I cannot place the 1 there. This should be an O. Alright, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next. How about this? Yeah. This row and that row. Yeah. Need to compare. Alright. 1. Oh. Correction. Not the good. No. Overlooked. It's not the same. Oh. No. Not the same. Come on. 001. Do we have 001 here? Yeah, 001. No, this is also not the same. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do we have a 1001 here? This is not the same. 1001. 101. No. We have double one here. No. No. How about 110? Ah. Ah. The last row. And this row. All right. Oh, 1 1 1 1. Oh, 1 1. Empty box. Empty box. Oh, 1 1 oh, oh. Need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have an O here. This should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So wait. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Okay. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And we have here 1 2 3 4 5 O. So the rest are ones. And between two ones comes an O. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. Alright. And now. And we have 2. And we have 3. And we have 3. Can I compare the columns? That's the question. Here we have a double 1, double 1. Okay. This is completed. Okay. Oh, cannot compare this one. How about this one? Cannot compare this one. No, it will be difficult here. With the column. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 double O here. No double O's. Here double O. No double O. So the columns will be difficult. So I need to compare the row. Here 1 2 3 4. Okay. We have a double 1 here. No. So I need. Do I have a double O? Oh, this will be difficult. Double O. Yeah. I think this row, the second row. Okay. 10 10. Do we have a 10 10 here? 10 10 10. 10 10. Oh. This row. And that row. Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay. So we have a 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 empty box 1 1. Need to switch those two digits. We have a O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have here 1 2 3 4 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And now 1 2 3 4 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Finished in 13 minutes. Well. 30 minutes. Could be faster, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two regular puzzles. The medium Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.